Hey everyone, thanks for stopping in and joining me. We are going to be opening up my BoxyCharm base box for the month of April. And I'm not going to lie, I don't really have like the highest hopes for this month's box just from some of the unboxings that I've watched and some of the spoilers that I've seen. I just don't think that this has been a great month for BoxyCharm. But let's go ahead and open her up, and here's what we're looking like. It's red inside because this is the base box, and this month's theme is festival vibes. And then on the back it talks about Misguided, which is like a little clothing store. And then inside it does go over the items that you get as well as the prices, and then it's talking about Boxy Luxe and Boxy Pop-Up, which will be coming in May. All right, which is great because last month I didn't even get a card, so that's better than anything. I also have a little thing here for a makeup eraser. Okay, so the very first thing I'm gonna pull out is this. This is the Hank and Henry sponge duo set. They're really cute. I love the color, that like chartreuse green. So this is Hank and Henry Midori Beauty Sponge Bundle. So it says these beauty sponges are specifically designed to be versatile all over sponges for liquid and cream application, and they can be used wet for a sheer application or dry for a fuller coverage. These retail for $20. I do love sponges. I don't think I would use them dry necessarily. I always like to use my sponges dampened, and so they are like a little, I don't know, triangle kind of shape here with the little owl on there. That's really, really cute. They are very dense. I kind of would say maybe they're definitely more dense than the Real Technique sponges, which are okay. They're not my favorite. My favorite is just the good old Beauty Blender. But I'll have to see how they feel once they are dampened. This one would be great for, you know, under eye and concealer. This one would be good for kind of just all over application. But I love my sponges, so I'm not complaining about that. Okay. The next thing is this, and this is the Lavish Brush Set. And I know everyone's been saying that they kind of look like the little paint brushes that little kids get in their little painting sets. They look a little bit better in person, I will say that. So here's the set right here. So you have a good array of eye brushes, and this one does have a little spoolie on the end. So you have like a little eyebrow brush, a little packer brush, a little like smudger pencil brush. This is a little liner brush, and this is like a little crease brush. But honestly, you could use these brushes for anything. Okay, so this is from Lavish Cosmetics. This is the 5-piece neon eye brush collection, and it says it's a must-have all-in-one cruelty-free makeup brush collection that includes essential eye brushes you'll need to achieve an everyday or more dramatic look. And these retail for $29.99. So I'm never going to complain at getting brushes. I definitely think that this is like a cute little set, so I'm not going to knock it. All right, the next thing is this, and this is my choice item. So this is the Elemis Superfood Sika Calm Hydration Juice, and this is a glass jar here. I do really enjoy Elemis items, at least the Superfood line I've really, really enjoyed. I love the smell of it. Yes, it's just like a nice citrusy, fresh, clean kind of smell, and Elemis is a great brand. So this says, okay, Elemis Superfood Sika Calm Hydration Juice, loaded with vitamin-packed superfoods and 75% organic aloe. This gel moisturizer delivers instant cooling hydration, helping to soothe dehydrated or sensitive skin. Hello, that is me. This vegan-friendly formula moisturizes and improves the look of skin texture for a more even, calm, and balanced-looking complexion. Now, you could have chosen between this and then also, I believe they had the Zoeva palettes. Like there's like 10 or 11 different Zoeva palettes you could have gotten. And to be honest with you, I've actually owned 2 Zoeva palettes in the past. The Caramel Melange being one of them, and I think the other one was like the Cocoa something or another. I wasn't like the biggest fan of the formula. I just felt they were very, very dry. It just wasn't my favorite, so they ended up getting passed down and decluttered and everything. But Anyway, so yeah, the Elemis Superfood Cica Calm Hydration Juice, $48 if I failed to mention that. Okay, the next thing is this. This is a makeup eraser. It's super, super cute. Now, I have a few makeup erasers, but they are like the tiny ones that are like good for your eyes only. This says, the original makeup eraser in Sunset. So the #1 sustainable makeup remover in the world. Erase all makeup with just water. Erases waterproof mascara, eyeliner, foundation, and more. Made with premium patented polyester featuring millions of hairs like fibers that work as a suction for dirt, makeup, and oil. And this is $22. I love this size, and the colors are just so, so cute. I'm definitely getting summer vibes, like between this and this. Like, I can see the festival vibes a little bit, and these are so, 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 so soft. If you've never felt a makeup eraser, they are just like little chamois towels. But yeah, this one is a really good size for like all over makeup removal. And last but not least is this. So this is the Professional Pore Primer from Benefit. Now, here's my thing. I have dry skin. I have dry skin, and my profile says I have dry skin. You could have gotten this or the hydrating one that has hyaluronic acid in it. Why did they send me the regular Professional primer? I don't understand. Like, hello, I got this, so wouldn't you think if I chose this that I would get the hydrating Professional primer? That makes no sense to me. So I'm kind of disappointed in that, but I mean, honestly, I'm not surprised because every single person has had an issue with something with this month's box. All right, but anyway, okay, so Benefit Cosmetics, the Professional Face Primer quickly minimizes the appearance of pores and fine lines for smoother than smooth skin. Apply this silky lightweight balm alone, under or over makeup. The translucent formula contains a vitamin E derivative known to protect skin from free radicals. And this retails for $32. But anyway, so yeah, I can save this for a giveaway because I'm just not going to be using it, unfortunately. All right, so that was April's BoxyCharm base box. My premium should be here someday. I don't know. I haven't even gotten an email yet that it's been shipped, but I know there's more important things going on in the world, so I'm not going to complain. But let's go over what we got in our $25 base box. So we got the makeup eraser in this cute, fun color, the sunset color. We got the 5-piece brush set from Lavish. We have the Cica, or the Elemis Superfood Cica Calm Hydration Juice. And then we have the Hank & Henry, was this the Midori Sponge Bundle? And then last and least, we have the Professional Primer from Benefit. So all in all, it was okay. It was okay. I'm not going to complain because I just don't want to complain. But I hope May is better. But anyway, thanks guys so much. We have reached 100 subscribers, so that means that I will be doing a giveaway. I've already started a pile, and then this will also be going in that giveaway. So stay tuned for rules on that. Thanks so much for stopping by. Please like, share, subscribe. Join our crew. It's fun here. We have fun, right? Thanks for stopping by again. Thanks so much, and I'll see you next time. Bye.